demo day, which is like very fun because when we get to do something with y'all, it's like entertaining for us to do, to watch ourselves do it because we have a selfie cam. So we watch ourselves do something fun. And so you're going to want to tune in.
And honestly, I feel like so many people, I love like watching people try things for the first time.
Yeah.
But we're not like professionals at anything. So it's fun to watch us do it too, because guys, we're going to be trying SmileDirectClub today. We are excited. I've always wanted to try it.
Face, right? It's my excited face.
We've always wanted to try
something.
We've always wanted to
try, and this is something. When life, when life is, try something, and this is something fun for us to try.
And the thing is, for us, like,
just disclaimer, there are men in the background that walk around that are neither one of our husbands. There's just a few last minute odds and ends that have to happen in our house. So if you see
you're doing my cooking hands.
If I take those all the time from you. If you see strange men walking back and forth, they're not here to kill us. They're not here to murder us. They are just here to complete. I have no idea.
Complete something.
Something. So anyways, yeah, SmileDirectClub. Then that's the alarm.
All right, so these are clear aligners, guys, and we are going to do it. And basically it is like, I have a couple of, in my past, I had my teeth straightened, but things move. So I was so excited to do this.
Everything moves.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take you through. You get this box when you order it, okay? And by the way, you can get a box. Cat and Nat code for $100 off of the aligners, and it's linked in the description above. Okay, so this is it. I have done one, so I'm going to guide Katya through this. Now,
okay.
Basically what happens is there are 4 different impressions, okay, that you're going to do. 2 top, 2 bottom.
Yeah.
And then you send them all in, and they've got a prepaid postage thing. Okay.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your box. Inside the box.
I opened up the box.
Okay. Inside the box, you have these 2 different putties that you're going to be mixing together. Now, first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up the whole box and take it out because I need you to get your rubber gloves. Okay. You need to wear rubber gloves at all times. Guys, this takes no more than 20 minutes total. We're goofballs, and we're going to probably go slowly just to make it fun for y'all. But you're going to
wear gloves to keep your hands clean and your grit free.
Okay. Put your gloves on.
I will.
First, what I want you to do is put your liner inside your mouth and make sure that your I feel like you're like a gynecologist.
I feel like one too. Gloves make me feel smart.
It made me feel like I need
some glasses too, I think. Okay, go ahead.
First, put the liner inside your mouth and make sure it fits. Most of them will fit. If for any reason they don't, you just contact them. Okay, so that's good. You fit. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take these 2 putties and you're going to mix them together.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to move fast before we go because I don't want you to know what to do. You're going to move fast because the putty does set quickly.
Okay.
So you're going to mix them, and the way you're going to mix them is like this. Wait, hold on. Before we get, then you're going to roll it like a sausage, and you're going to place it inside the liner. Then you're going to put it in your mouth, and you're just going to, put it in place. You're not going to bite down.
Like literally, I'm mixing it together.
Are you doing it right now?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I'm going.
Then I also
I mix like this,
like
this.
Okay. Really, you got to move fast.
So I'm moving fast.
And I'm going to get a timer out because once you put it in your mouth,
go. You don't have the timer out. Get the timer out. Let's go. Get the timer. I might drool. Don't judge me. Please don't judge. Is this good? How do I know if it's good?
Okay, but you want to completely mix so the 2 colors are properly mixed together. Okay, pull like this. Like this. Okay, good. Okay,
Natalie. Okay.
All right.
Actually,
it looks amazing. Now roll it like a sausage and then put it inside of your tray.
Okay. Roll it like a sausage. Roll it like a sausage. You might
want to have paper towel around.
Is this like sausage enough?
Well, no, but it has to fit inside here.
Okay.
Too long.
Oh God, it's too long. Okay. Natalie, you're making me nervous. Okay.
Can I get it in there all the way to the back?
It's a bit fat. Okay. It's a bit fat. Oh God. You know what? I think if I was doing this alone, I wouldn't feel so nervous.
I know.
Okay. Well, you're yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. Okay. Is it going?
Get it in your mouth. Put it in. Okay. Now don't bite down, but just put it in place. Get it all in. Okay. Now you're gonna press it up evenly. Okay. Good. Now you're gonna take your lip and just pull it over, and I'm gonna start the timer, and we're gonna go in there for 2.5 minutes. Perfect. So guys, this video is sponsored by SmileDirectClub and we are doing these clear liners, which is a really...
Swallow?
You can swallow. Now, the thing is that when I did it, I thought when I was going to take it out, like at the dentist, it was going to taste like something gross. It tastes like nothing, just so you know. And guys, Cat Nat, code for $100 off to try it. Your impression kit will be delivered in under a week. Free shipping. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay. You're going to be doing 2 uppers in 2 hours. Yes. 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 I'm going to do one too. Basically, it's really great for, like, let's say teenagers who don't want to get braces. They can do these to straighten their teeth. You know what I mean? The sausage is too long. It's a problem. Okay, so you're 1 minute in, so you got 1.5 minutes. While we're doing that, when your impressions are done, and I have mine here, you throw all of them in the box and you just ship it back, and then a clear liner, will come to you. It's really, this is really fun. Okay. They said to have paper towels handy, but you know, that would be organized for us. Okay. All right. This is going well. You're at 1.5 minutes. Okay. Isn't this fun? Pull your upper lip out and over. Yeah, she's good. She's done everything that she needs to. The fun part is going to come at the end. Am I going to do the bottoms after? I'm going to do the bottoms after. I'm excited for this. I have a few things in my... I have one tooth that is sending a little bit forward, and then hair. Actually, I had a wire before. Not yet. I had a wire before, and my wire broke off, so that's why I need this. This is great. Isn't this fun, guys? You always wondered what it was like, and now you know. SmileDirectClub. It's such a perfect thing to do with this climate, too, when you don't want to be, you know... out in the world. All right. You are at 2 minutes. Now let's stop. Let's pull it out. Let me see your impressions. Those are very good. And in the book, you can see what is a good impression and what's not a good impression. This is a great impression I can see because I can see her gums. I can see each tooth. There's no moving. There's no double. Okay. So that's her one impression. And then,
so are you just trying to be nice to me, or did I nail it?
You nailed it.
Whew, Cat, way to go, babe.
Let's see.
You did better than me.
I don't think so. I think they're
both
both
great. But I guess
great.
that's why you do 2.
Yeah, no, you did great. And then that's that, and then you send it in.
Wow, you just take it away and send it in.
Then what you do, okay, is you take this right here, and you're going to take a picture and upload the picture of your gums to SmileDirect. Okay. Now, before we play with this, like we know we love.
Yes, like you know we love.
Am I going to do the bottoms?
You probably should do the bottoms if I did the tops.
You can. Let's see if you can direct me.
Oh, God, I'm nervous.
Start with my gloves.
And now it's easy. You know what I mean? Like, now we nailed it.
Yeah, but we always scrub instructions. Let's see how easy it is.
You guys get $100 off with the code Cat Nat.
Yes, we have them.
Okay, I'm going to read this.
This is what's going to happen.
Okay.
This is the fun thing.
Okay, here we go.
You upload a picture to SmileDirect.
Right.
And then...
They take it. Hold on, where's mine?
I said, Cat, can I ask you something?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to say something, and you're going to guess what I'm saying, okay?
Okay, go for it.
Kathy plays with Putty all the days.
Kathy plays with Putty all the days.
That is good. It's not Kathy. It's Kathy.
Sassy.
Kathy.
Hussy.
Kathy.
Hathy.
Kathy.
Hockey.
Kathy.
Hathy.
Kathy.
Scathy.
Poppy.
Poppy.
Yes! Very good. All right, I'm going to do my
very much
liners
for
right
that
now.
one.
All right, so I'm going to take out my 2 putties.
Okay, that was good. That was very good, Newt, the skin
I'm going to make sure it fits.
Sure. You're doing the bottom now. I feel like the bottom will be easier than the top.
Yeah, me too.
I'm not sure why.
Like gag reflexes and stuff. Okay, I'm taking them out quickly. Taking out my 2 putties, gray and purple. I'm mixing them together.
I don't think this is good. All right.
No, other way.
Oh.
Like.
Ah, okay. Okay, Linda. Linda.
Yes.
So, study deader.
What did you just say?
Such a funny deader.
Such a funny deader.
Put that teddy together.
Let's do petty. Oh, put the petty together. She's gonna
Put
give me
that
the directions.
teddy together. And then you're going to
Make a sausage.
make a sausage. Once you
Sausage.
once you got the sausage,
You put it inside the
you
liner.
hit it inside a liner. And then you suck a dick.
No,
You know what I said.
I don't know what you said. Okay, ready? Ah.
Okay, guys. The timer. Oh God. We're gonna do a great job here. It's okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi.
You got 8 patties. 8. Oh.
Oh yeah, you're already spoiling. I think I have a license to do this to people. Okay, Amy, I like that. I mean, you could go. Yeah. Well, I have to say, I'm dying. Don't spit. Don't spit. So you're gonna do 4 impressions, 2 upper, 2 lower. You can. No, you just. Oh, just watch this. There you go. As a mom, that's what moms do. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna do paper towel on you. Crazy? That shit's expensive, Natalie. Okay, good. There's a shortage. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you can just wipe your own spit. You know what I mean? You should see the things that go on in your body. Oh dear. Oh. Okay, not on my counter. Okay, fine. You get one. Okay, fine. Fine. Here you go. Oh God, you're a disaster. Oh, put your tongue away. That is a tongue and a half. What if you mess up your putty? I think that's why they give you 4. You know, not that I'm the expert here, but I believe they give you 4 for a reason. You know. Okay. So,
How long?
Oh God, another minute. So once you do your impressions, you just put them in and you nail them back. It's already got it's already got everything it needs on there. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, let me see.
She said, I just got to the party. What's happening?
Oh, she's doing SmileDirect Club, and you guys can get $100 off aligners. The code is Cat and Nat. The impression kit's delivered in under a week. It's free shipping. There you go, Nat. She's just gonna do her impressions, and then we're done, and then we throw it back away. Oh God, it's so fun. Okay, you're almost done. Nat, you're doing a great job. You're not drooling. What was that about? You just gotta.
I think the bottom could drill more. Very hot.
I think you. Okay.
Oh.
God. Oh dear. It's a comfortable BPA-free plastic that won't irritate your cheeks or your gums. It actually, I felt nothing. It didn't taste like anything. It was like, they give you reminders and follow-ups. Let me tell you, they give you a call and they're like, hey, you're done. You know what? You're done. Done. Gonna have to like wipe down the counter after this.
I did great.
Did you nail it?
I nailed it.
Wow.
Nailed
Well,
it.
make sure we don't mix up the, you know what I mean?
That'd
Like
be
you do, ew.
With the bottom.
Just give me a minute here for a second.
The bottom.
Don't take the spit and re-wipe it with the spit. Come on now, Natalie.
Okay. And then you go to SmileDirect Club and you upload your photo.
Just shake your
Oh,
dirty.
that
That was fun. Guys, that was so fun. Okay, careful. This is just, okay.
I'm gonna say one more thing. You're gonna say it. You're gonna guess what it is,
okay.
okay? I'm gonna say,
Go ahead. Come on. Watermelon.
sugar
Sugar
high.
Watermelon sugar
Watermelon sugar high.
I nailed it for you. There you go.
How about Princess Penelope loves.
Princess Penelope loves. You're really bad at this game because you say it too well. You must have a very something in your mouth that you're able to not use your lips. Maybe, you know what I mean? Like, because most people need their lips to talk. You do not.
Can you do it?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not as good as you.
Well, let me hear the silly other then.
I think my lips are bigger. Okay. It's I'll just do it this way. Stop.
You put it on. Why don't you talk normal? You look so crazy. Why are you talking like that?
There's a nanny says the faster. No! Now try a sexy talk when I do this. Ready? Hey, big boy.
Hey, big boy.
You wanna come upstairs?
You wanna come upstairs? Now do the bite.
You wanna come inside bedroom with me? Hey, handsome. I'm looking for some sun.
What?
I'm looking for some fun.
Some fun.
You wanna come have sun with me? Do you wanna come have sun with me? I'm gonna have sun in my room.
Tell him what you're gonna do to him.
First, I'll take your clothes off. First, I'm gonna take all your clothes off.
Say penis.
Penis? Then, after I take all your clothes off.
Why? You were talking with an accent.
I'm not.
What?
Take all your clothes off. That's not an accent. I take all your clothes off.
Oh no. Gosh, SmileDirectClub is more exciting.
Who knew it was more fun than you could ever have?
Oh.
You know what I mean? That's good time. Whoa!
Obviously, we're going to send in our aligners, and we're going to keep you posted. We're going to show you all the stuff, and we're going to take you on our journey, you know.